Imagine a world where every marketing strategy is a bullseye. Welcome to the new age of data-driven marketing. This approach leverages data analysis to fine-tune promotional efforts, making each step precise and each outcome quantifiable. Consider the sports industry. Analyzing fans' online activities allows marketers to craft campaigns that align with fans' interests. If basketball posts are attracting the most engagement, the emphasis shifts to basketball-related promotions. Then there's the retail sector, where purchase history and browsing trends help tailor advertisements for every customer. Purchased running shoes recently? You might see suggestions for sportswear next. Data-driven marketing operates like a compass in the vast promotion sea. It guides you in the correct direction. Welcome to the future of marketing, where every strategy is a step towards success. Let's dive deeper and explore how some of the biggest names in the industry leverage data-driven marketing. First up, Netflix. The entertainment powerhouse utilizes data analysis to tailor recommendations for each viewer. Imagine you've just finished binge-watching a thrilling crime series. When you log in next, you might find suggestions for similar shows, all thanks to Netflix's data-driven marketing. It's like having a personal movie curator, isn't it? Now, let's switch gears and head over to Amazon. The behemoth uses the same data-driven approach, but in a different sector. Amazon analyzes your browsing and purchasing history to recommend products that you might be interested in. Bought a thriller novel recently? Don't be surprised if you see suggestions for similar books the next time you visit. It's like a digital shopping assistant, always ready to help you find what you want. These real-world examples from Netflix and Amazon showcase the immense potential of data-driven marketing. It's not just a game changer, it's the game itself in today's digital era. Now, if you found this video insightful and would like to stay up to date with our latest content, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring that notification bell. You won't want to miss our upcoming videos breaking down the latest trends in the industry.